Hi, I'm Ranjan Bhattacharya. Welcome to the next instalment of our vlog, taking you through our project to convert this office building into serviced office suites. If you've missed some of the previous instalments of this vlog, I've got some links up there. We publish content each and every week, all dedicated to helping you be more successful in property. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as we upload. Also, please help us out on YouTube, and the algorithm favors us if you click the like button, so smash it now to show your approval for this video. Anyway, so let's take a look inside.
Yeah! Like that!
So if you've seen the previous installments of this vlog, you'll know that this floor that we're on used to be one whole office suite. It was 2,700 square foot of floor space. What we've done is carved it up into individual smaller serviced office suites. So what we're in now is the kitchen area, which will be communal to all the offices and businesses who will be occupying this floor. We're going to have free tea, coffee, all of that complimentary stuff. Nice big fridge, there'll be a place for people to eat and all of that. So the advantage of renting a serviced office is that you've got flexibility. Instead of taking a lease, a long lease on a larger space, because normally you're committed to 5 years as a tenant, that might be too long. The trouble with 5-year or 10-year commercial leases is that when you actually occupy the property, it's either too big for you on day one or too small for you on day one, because all businesses expand and contract and have changing needs, if you like. So the advantage for tenants in a serviced office building is that if they are a 3-person business, you take a 3-person suite. And if next year you need 6 people, then you take a 6-person suite. And so forth. You have that flexibility. So that's what we've done in this building. We've created a mix of suites to cater for different types of small businesses. So we've got co-working spaces, we've got 2-person suites, 3-person suites, 4-person suites, 6-person, 10-person, 12-person suites. So no matter as your business grows, this business centre can support the tenants in the building. We've got the second floor already up and running, as many of you know, and in fact some of the businesses that have been with us now pretty much for a year are saying to us, look, we've got a 2-person suite, we want to move to a 4-person suite, and they are going to move to another suite on this floor once it's ready. Let me show you around at some of the suites. So let me show you one of our 12-person suites, and also this is a sort of room that we'll be using as co-working space as well. So as you can see, lovely piece of space. By the way, I haven't said this before, but if you're located in Hertfordshire, we're in the centre of St.Albans, and if you're looking for office space for your business, or you're looking for co-working space in the centre of St. Albans, do get in touch, private message me or something, and I'll put you in touch with our team that deals with that side. So as I said, this is a 12-person office suite. It has lovely windows, it's light and bright and all the rest of it. One thing we do here is that we ensure that soundproofing is catered for. One of the big complaints people have in serviced office buildings is the shoddy way that partition walls are put up in a way that you can hear whatever someone does in the next office suite. What we do is we take all the walls, you can just see here, we take all the internal walls right up to the top of the ceiling and insulate it with acoustic foam to make sure that there's the minimum of sound transmission in between each suite. The other thing we're focused on is climate control. A lot of serviced office buildings suffer from the fact that there's a zone system. So the temperature is a certain temperature and you have to like it or lump it. And one suite might be too cold for one suite and it might be too hot for another suite. What we do with our serviced office buildings is we provide individual climate control so that there is an individual air conditioning cassette unit within each suite, so you've got that controllability. One of the things we also do is we don't really have reception desks because that drives up the costs for the occupants if we have a manned reception at the bottom. So what people do is they, if visitors come, they see the nameplate, they press the bell for the suite that they want to contact, and each suite has an entry phone system which allows them to simply buzz in the caller and meet them. Communal facilities are great. We have 2 meeting rooms in the service centre. We've got one boardroom, which is a 12-seater boardroom equipped with latest touchscreen, as you can see in this little clip. We also have a 6-seater smaller meeting room available for occupants to use. So those are the kind of facilities that we offer here, and it's proving very popular indeed. With serviced offices, it's all about location, 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 and what you've got to be is in the centre of a happening town, which this is. So that's pretty much it for this vlog. This is going to be ready in just a matter of a few weeks, so the next time you see this space, we'll have some carpet down and you'll get an idea a little bit more about what it's going to be like when it's finished. Okay, thanks very much, and bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the bell icon. As soon as we upload, we'll let you know. And enjoy these. They're all dedicated to helping you be more successful in property. Happy investing!